Alright, my homies. I got a little homie right here gonna do me something.
Uh,
AKA
my easy, you know how it
Easy
is.
Wee. You know what it is.
I ain't never got it easy like my name. Keep breezy, got the sheet never looking easy. Tell my mama was just never got this sheet weaky. I ain't no weak boy, but I'm still gonna go for breathing. I mean, like, I take this shit for leaking. See the out your leaking dick, but there ain't no sicking. Bagging these hoes for some arrogance. Therapy on my mind, I feel like I'm arrogant. Guaranteed, I'm on some Italian shit. I'm finna speed. You know, when I speed, I get bigger and bigger. Me, I try to get rich, yeah, easy trying to get a fix. Y'all niggas couldn't get with me. I'm finna pond, these niggas couldn't fight with me. I'm on the long road, long deck town. Niggas couldn't get me. All about that paper and our money on the town.
Homie, you feel my homies. You see what? It's my, we A-Town. Don't fuck with us. We out.